Hey, hey everyone, hoi allemaal. So today, if you know, you know, but I'm a tag hoarder. So today is going to be organizing those tags, putting them in the folders, and organizing some information leaflets I get. Maybe I have some double, maybe not. We'll see. This year, my goal was not to do this in one whole whole setting. As in, I cut out already all the packaging. I cut out the information from the package they came in. So this, for instance, is a fritillaria, which came in a bigger bag, of course, but I already cut it, which did make a mess. I think I have some video of, especially those, let me see, like these ones that came. These are from bare perennials, so they came with a little bit of soil, but yeah, it was a mess. So today's job is just organizing them into my spreadsheet on my laptop and organizing them into folders. There's not a lot to it. Let me see. Just setting up a screen recording so I can talk you through it and do one example and then just speed it up. I also did a video of this last year, and I will link that one down below, or maybe it was the year before. Anyway, this is just my system. I love it. Yeah. I just also love saving the tags because my brain needs to remember medical stuff and not all the names of all these plants. So yeah, what you're seeing right now on my screen is my spreadsheet, which contains all the different areas of the garden. And this is the bulb section. So I divide it into bulbs and just plants, perennials. That includes shrubs and trees also. So these are all the bulbs specifically, since mixing that in with all of this would be a little bit too much. But what I do is I add them to either the plant section or the bulb section. And then I also have, this is my maintenance sheet. I know for most of the plants what I have to do, but some of the plants that I have planted and some of them I have not, I'm not so familiar with. So I always say, hey, what is the maintenance on it? Because usually it says on the tag, so I take that into consideration. Why not? I have that information, and I can just use it to my advantage. So like I said, I will add it either into my bulb or my perennial spreadsheet. If it has any information about maintenance and other stuff, I will also add it into this one. And in the end, I will add it to my folders, which are separated with some garden plants, buy plastic folders and I'll just put the plant tags in it, and I have the names on top. And I already have 2 folders because the plant tag collection keeps growing. So maybe I need to get a third folder, but we will see. So yeah, if you have any questions, just comment them down below, like and subscribe, and yeah, I will time to see how long this takes me because I'm curious. I've been at this for over an hour and I've not made a dent. Well, to be fair, the last part was done by just sorting it out. I should have done that beforehand, but now I have it sorted out into areas of the garden, so in my spreadsheet I don't need to switch, because before I was just pulling randomly, but now I can just focus on one area, add all those plants, move on to the next. But looking at all these plant tags, I'm like, I'm very much behind. So this will be a multi-day job, because doing this for a lot of hours back to back is like pretty boring. So